Hey, good afternoon, Miss Clark's homeroom. It's time for my weekly Amazon gift card drawing. Qualifications for entries this week were logging into every Zoom session, participating in that Zoom session by either being a co-host and screen sharing when we worked on the activity on Wednesday, answering questions in the chat, and then the last qualification for an extra entry was to complete the assignment that I left for you in Google Classroom for yesterday while I was out. So here are all the entries right here, and let's go ahead and get on with the drawing and see who our weekly winner is. And it is Eric Little. So Eric, if you have a non-CCS email account that you need me to send that Amazon gift card to, go ahead and either send me a email, or you can send me a text message to the number that I've posted on the Google Classroom a couple different times. So, Eric, you're our weekly winner. And thanks everybody else. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you Monday morning.